Yay! Yippee! Excited? Ready
Yes,
for
ma'am.
assembly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Happy Christmas, ma'am.
Merry Christmas to all. And students, today the assembly is conducted and prepared by the class 3 and 4 students. Principal ma'am is here.
Let's listen first, Beta. Since you
And
are going
Christmas,
for
ma'am.
holidays, many of you will be going out also. Be very careful about your health. Be very careful. Enjoy yourself. Yes, enjoy yourself. Take care of yourself. You are getting a pleasant time to enjoy with your family. So enjoy a lot and come back rejuvenated. From 2nd of January, I want everybody with very bright faces. Okay? So wish you all and your family a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.
Hear it out and watch this beautiful skit that they have prepared for us.
Once upon a Christmas Eve, there was a little girl, Holly, who had only one Christmas wish: to sing a Christmas carol in front of the live audience at the Grand Ole Open.
Check.
When Christmas comes, so we always gift we give gifts to our friends, to our family members, and to people whom we know. So we know that some way they'll get, or at least this year they didn't get, but next year they'll get. So why don't we give to those poor peoples like who can't afford this, and like if it is small gift also, but for them it will like be a big thing. So why don't we try that this time? Like giving poor people gifts.
Santa doesn't have a message for us. We have a Santa.
Yeah, Santa. Santa, go on.
A message for us.
I don't have any message, but at least at last I can do face reveal for today by removing this mask.